Welcome to RM Tech. Ready for the future. Today I'm showing you how to connect Sunlit IPTV. First open Google Play Store. Then click the search option. And search IPTV. Select IPTV. Click Install bottom. Wait a minute to complete the installation. When the installation is complete, open the IPTV app. Click the plus button, then click Add URL. Type in playlist URL sunlitnetwork.com/tv.m3u. And now type in the playlist name Sunlit IPTV. Then click OK. Now Sunlit IPTV playlist is ready. And enjoy more than 80 plus bufferless HDTV channel. Now I will show you how to use Sunlit IPTV on computer. First, open your browser. And type in the URL sunlitnetwork.com/tv.m3u. When the download is complete, open the downloaded file, drag the file to open the player, and enjoy. Subscribe to the channel to get the next update.